Oh, it's so hot.
Very cheesy. Now bite it.
So what?
Hello pa, magkakon! Magkakon mo mo?
Yes, ma'am. Magkano na? Ano kaya ang pwede, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Pinilaw mo. Ano kaya ang Hi, sir! Bakanti!
Dito po mga madamaran.
Sir, hindi yung barbecue!
Dito sa mga maganda tayo pilano.
Hi, barbecue!
Yes, ma'am. Mozzarella pancake, ma'am. Katang dinner, ma'am.
Hi, dito na ang barbecue, sir, ma'am! Like pinilaw. Yes, pinilaw.
I haven't seen this vlog.
No, I haven't.
Oh, dali mo. Basta.
Oh, yeah.
Are those the little chocolate?
Sige, inshallah. Inshallah. Sana nga makapunta ako sa inyo talaga to.
Then wait lang. Ha?
Dapat advance din, no? Kasi para mura lang. Kami, magpapaalam na po ako. Basta ako naman dara. Sabi mo yun? Hindi. May payag kami ha. Ay, simple. Kami sali natin si Ivy. Sige natin si Ate Rani.
Yes, ma'am, sir, pinilaw po.
So can you hold this for a while? I'll just put my wallet first.
Hi, sir. Oh, barbecue.
Hindi nga, let's try nga. Let's mix though.
Hi, ma'am. Pinilaw ka.
Wow,
Is it good?
that's a great combination, guys.
Yeah, that's
good,
nice.
right? Yeah.
Lemon, strawberry.
Sprite and strawberry. But I didn't see the noodle. Maybe I'll be back for that Japanese coin.
They have a mozzarella with ube as well.
Yeah.
We'll come back when there's less of a line, maybe.
Yeah, less people. They have the jam. Ganyan ba ang nangyayari?
Who do you tell what you want? Oh, those are the ramens too?
Yeah. And I'm looking for cheese curd. Okay lang yung cheese curd. Cheese curd.
Para mo sabay po.
Isa.
Ma'am, halangon ma'am. Halang. Hindi yung ma'am.
Cheese carbonara.
Carbonara. Cheese carbonara? Halangon ma'am. Hindi.
Alang.
Did you want one of the cheese coins too? What did he say when you try to order the cheese coin?
He said he should cook that first before he cook another set.
So you can only cook one at a time.
I don't get it.
Why don't you do the cheese pull while it's still...
Okay. Oh, it's so hot.
Very cheesy, now bite it.
So what?
So cheesy.
But that doesn't taste cheese. Alright.
All the cheese is pulled out of one side. Let's try to wrap some up.
You like it?
It's like a pancake, you put mozzarella cheese inside.
Well, let's try it. They only put half of the noodles. I thought they're gonna put the all.
Oh wow.
I think that's better in DGT.
This is better than DGT?
Sausage. Hot dog.
What do you think, 1 out of 10?
This one?
Huh?
This one, 8.
8? Okay.
Alright.
Let's see. Eating an omelet with chopsticks.
It's more spicy than DGT.
It's like spicy ramen with mayo ketchup on top. Let's try one of the sausages. It is absolutely disgusting. It tastes like a Vienna sausage. It's not even a hot dog quality. But she got her TikTok, so she's happy. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go look around a little bit more. Your extra sauce is how much sauce I want. How much are the isaw?
10 pesos.
10? Ah. Huh?
Freshly cooked.
Oh, fresh. You taste peppery. Like you added black pepper to them or something. It tastes good.
Yeah. You want?
I'm good. I don't know what we do with these.